Tranquilizer teams, establish perimeter.
Affirmative. Watch the mothers.
Cypho, final sweep, ensure no remaining baboons.
All clear. Horrific destruction, sir.
All right, team, this is it. Let's get it into quarantine. Confirming base seal. Cameras ready outside. Let's begin the decontamination protocol.
The heart has arrived. This engine looks even better than promised. Check these specs, it's the latest improved version. The alignment is perfect, right on spec. The gaps look flawless. Ready for the next phase. A stunning restoration and powerful conservation message. How prepared is the team? We've checked the fuel and radio systems. The car is optimized and ready to race.
Alpha Team, we have 30+ baboons confirmed at your location. Breeding females with infants. Exercise extreme caution.
They're not bluffing. We need to back up. They're protecting the young.
Get the radio. Tell them we need specialized backup.
Visibility is blocked by debris, but we can see the engine bay is packed with garbage. The wiring harness shows extensive chewing damage, and the coolant tank is filled with dark contaminated fluid.
CFO, move to flank right. Copy, Thabo. Veterinary team, prep the crate. Ready. Aiming for the mother now. Tranquilizing in 3, 2, 1.
Justice. The preliminary costs exceed 2.5 million rand. It's going to be a complete rebuild. I have some baboon...
Tranquilizer teams, establish perimeter.
Affirmative. Watch the mothers.
Cypho, final sweep, ensure no remaining baboons.
All clear. Horrific destruction, sir.
The smell alone is a biohazard. Everything needs to go.
Confirmed. Seats, console, wiring, it's all completely biodegraded.
Oh my God. It's worse than I could have ever imagined.
Corrosion is extensive from the waste exposure. Suspension is seized and needs replacement. The critical issue is the stress cracks at the chassis mounting points. The structural integrity is compromised.
Complete failure. Corrosion, chewed wires, everything destroyed. This is a total loss. Estimated rebuild? Over 2.8 million. Total clear coat degradation, significant galvanic corrosion here. Fenders are repairable, but the door handles are destroyed. Panels are shot, extensive metalwork required.
The chassis is repairable, and the educational value is immense. Yeah. But 2.8 million for a rebuild valued at 1.8 million.
This Ferrari survived 4 years with one of Africa's most intelligent animals, and now we honor both the baboons and the car.
Keep a wide berth. The enzymatic spray is active.
Vet confirms protocol. Ensure the sample containers are sealed tight.
All right, team, this is it. Let's get it into quarantine. Confirming base seal. Cameras ready outside. Let's begin the decontamination protocol.
First component removal begins with interior stripping. We document the layout before removing destroyed seats and the center console. Carpet removal exposes corrosion damage requiring repair.
Okay, team, easy does it. Slow lift. Got it. Not budging. Needs separation. All right, transmission tunnel from below. Let's do it.
Surprisingly good internal condition. Rebuilding is feasible at $150,000 versus a $500,000 replacement cost.
Sites. The analysis confirms significant stress, twisted 8 millimeters from repeated animal load and ground settling. Look at the hair likes at the...
Teardown completion assessment is finalized. Damage assessment is 95% complete, and the restoration strategy is established.
The stress crack is here. Exact heat control is critical. Test fit looks perfect.
The front and rear suspension is completely destroyed, baboon contamination everywhere. Rotors corroded.
Complete wiring harness destroyed requiring total replacement. Kenji uses multimeter testing resistance, finding infinite readings indicating complete circuit failure.
The heart has arrived. This engine looks even better than promised. Check these specs, it's the latest improved version.
Look at the corrosion on this bracket. We need to reinforce the compressor mount and upgrade the cooling system points. Prep the fuel lines and wiring routes. The primer and finish look perfect.
Measurement verification complete. Structural integrity confirmed. Ready for assembly. Excellent work, team.
Chassis restoration is complete. Measurements are perfect. We are ahead of schedule. Excellent work, team. The V8 install starts tomorrow. We did it.
Okay, slowly down, a little to the left. Hold, looking good, Kenji. Just a fraction more. Watch the bell housing. Got it, easing down now. Perfect, start tightening.
Cooling and fuel lines connected. Harness connections verified against specs. Alignment is perfect. Torquing mounts now.
The enhanced cooling package is perfectly integrated. Pressure testing shows leaks.
Pointers. Ensure the high-pressure lines are routed correctly for the V8 setup. We're securing the aluminum tank now. The pump assembly is rated for the twin-turbo.
Ensure all connections are watertight. Checking the ECU harness now. Main bundle looks solid on the rail. Verified alternator and starter. Final check. The front and rear double wishbone assemblies are optimized with new components. The Brembo racing calipers and ventilated.
All systems nominal. Priming complete. Initiating start sequence. We have ignition. She runs.
Okay, here we go. Oil pressure is good. Perfect start. Great job, everyone. The restoration is on track. We've verified 720 Hakes powatts. Suspension and brakes are perfect. Transmission.
The front clamshell has severe impact points here and here. We'll need to use the body measurement jig to ensure it aligns.
We use a precision plasma cutter on the damaged section, then form the new 6061 T6 aluminum using the English wheel to match the Ferrari contours.
Downs. Assessing damage here. Starting the cut on this panel. Power hammer reshaping the curve, or holding solid.
The alignment is perfect, right on spec. The gaps look flawless. Ready for the next phase.
Excellent job, team. Flawless metalwork. Looks perfect, ready for paint. Truly exceeding expectations.
Metalwork phase successful. Spectacular transformation achieved. Flawless preparation. We are ready for the paint phase. On to Amara.
The Kalahari Bronze is ready. Adjusting the flow. Let's begin the coating. Ensure the pattern matches the reference. Ensure the vinyl masking for the paw prints is secure before you start spraying.
The thermal alignment is green, NOMSA.
We need to ensure the paw prints align with the Savannah floor projection.
Okay.
Adjust the scale on the...
The Savannah patterns are looking great. Make sure to blend the acacia silhouettes softly. I'm adding the sunset colors to the diffuser now. Perfect. The depth is unbelievable. Absolutely stunning. The Kalahari Bronze really pops now. It's perfect. It's perfect. Absolutely spectacular. The paint phase is complete. Oh. Incredible transformation, excellent work. Budget and timeline look great. We're on track.
Keep it steady, watch the edges. Aligning the gap now, perfect. Torque set, ready for the doors. Verified, moving to the rear deck.
She's alive. Yes. Unbelievable. Exceptional response. The steering is perfect. Checks out. All systems green. Power is incredible. Validated. Perfect run.
Panel gaps confirmed. Dead on Ferrari spec.
Diagnostic scan shows 0 fault codes. Systems check complete.
14 weeks. The final certificate and the specifications. 2.8 million invested, 3.2 appraised. The Baboon Ferrari. Look at the detail. It's absolutely stunning.
Lap time 139.2. Outstanding.
We did it, we're third in class.
Absolutely spectacular performance. The handling is flawless.
A stunning restoration and powerful conservation message. How prepared is the team? We've checked the fuel and radio systems. The car is optimized and ready to race.
And the field launches perfectly. The Baboon Ferrari holding third with a spectacular start. Clean through turn one, no...
Saifo, you're clear. 30-second lead. Bring it home.
Checkered flag, checkered flag. Fantastic drive, unbelievable.
The 12 baby baboons relocated from this Ferrari continue thriving in Kruger National Park. Automotive...
Did it! This is unbelievable.